Want to build a fun minigame system in your Roblox lobby? Here's how to set it up in just a few steps. Step 1. Set up the lobby. Create a base lobby in Starter Place. Add UI text for next minigame in Timer using Screen GUI. Insert a remote event for syncing players to the minigame. Step 2. Make a folder for minigames. In replicated storage, create a folder called Minigames. Each minigame should be a separate model with a spawn point and logic script inside. Step 3. Add minigame rotation script. Step 4. Teleport players. Use a teleport function that moves all players to the minigame spawn point using this script. Now you've got a working minigame lobby. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.